What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So an incredible bullish sign. Cardano was one of the first coins to kick off the bull run in the previous cycle. And that's what we're seeing again. We're up 32%. Obviously, with the Trump election, the bull run is getting started. So we're sitting at 58 cents. We're up 32% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 20.37 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.71 billion. So if we hop into the chart, you can see right here we've absolutely exploded. We're up 17% on the day, and in the last 24 hours, ADA is up a whopping 32%. So we love to see it. So we have an overextended wave 3. As you can see, it broke the 161.8. So your next target is the 261.8. Of course, in the bull market, you see massive pumps and massive dumps. So TA can be obliterated, but if we do break 61, your next target is the 361.8, which is at 0.073. So you have a nice 1-2, absolutely explosive move in a 3. Maybe we hit 61 cents, we pull back in a 4 before continuation up in a 5. If you'd like to trade ADA, make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. This is where I do my trading, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges for trading futures in North America. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Top of the comments. So right here, we have a beautiful, this is the bear market low right here. Beautiful wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. So that larger wave 3 target is going to take you all the way up to the 161.8. Of course, it can overextend, sitting at $1.21. So basically over a 2x, or sorry guys, over a 1x up to that $1.21 for the wave 3. So that's what we're looking at for ADA. We may pull back at 61 cents. If we break it, your next target is 73 cents. And then see a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5, larger pullback, boom, push up towards 121 for ADA. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex, guys. No KYC, no VPN, as I just mentioned. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. And you can join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my crypto trades, my Forex trade signals. And we also have one of our members in here who gives lots of trade signals as well. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.